So here we have sales over date table and also the another tab store data. So in store data we have index, store, sales, target information. So these two tables information we have to load into the Power BI, and from Power BI we have to visualize to achieve our client requirements. Okay, now what we do? So open a new Power BI, that Power BI file. So I think already I have shared in group how to install the Power BI desktop. So please go through that steps and install it. And after that, click on blank report. Okay, that's fine. Now here, first of all, we have to download that SharePoint data to the Power BI. For that, what we have to do, we have to use get data option in home menu. Okay. So 1 minute. One is right. Yes. Now after clicking on get data, so go for SharePoint. No, maybe yeah, SharePoint folder. Click on connect. Under here site URL place, go to that SharePoint site and copy the URL until the site address only. Don't select entire information, entire URL. Okay, from HTTP to sites and the until Power BI reports. Okay, only until this part only you have to copy. Okay, remaining part is unnecessary for the report. Okay, after copying that information and you click on okay. Okay. So it is displaying this all information and we have to click on transform data button. After that we will land into this application. This is called Power Query. So in Power BI architecture, Power Query through we will load the data. So here what this get data given, this given all information available in that site. So from here we have to get that folder information. So we have folder path column in at the last. So from there we can choose our required file. So before that, Nagaraju can show that point site.
Sorry, Chiru, your voice is blinking.
Okay, so can you please show that SharePoint site where the input file is available?
Yeah, it is in the sales trend project.
Yeah, in under document. So 001 sales trend project is the folder name. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to filter for this one. Then only we can see only the four tabs, four files. Okay. So where it is available, check it out in this list. So I think that is available in first time itself, right? Okay. So 001. Okay. So once we selected the right folder, in that here it is showing that extension, the third column. If you see it, PDF, PBIX, and XLSX, three files are there. Which one we have to choose? So we have to choose XLS file. So 1 minute. So in that is in third one. So for seeing that entire table, we have to click on the first column under content binary section. Okay, in binary, if you click on it, click on now So that Excel file, it will expand and it will display all information available in that Excel. Actually, we have two sheets informations. Under two sheets, two tables information, we have it in that Excel. So that four information it is showing here. Okay? And in Power Query Editor, you observe it in right side, applied steps are there. Okay? So where is applied steps, Nagaraju?
Here they are.
Yeah. So here observe it. These are all steps automatically generate based on whatever steps we do it. That all are recorded here. Here you can do by clicking on into mark, you can remove them if you want. So for example, now remove that last two applied steps, Nagaraj. Yeah. So again, we came into the second step. Now here what we have to do, we have to click on binary and now see automatically four steps came. Okay. Now observe now, so we have to load one table information right now. So first we want to download sales data. So sales data table we want to download. So yeah, you click on it and if you see it with the applied step also, same. Okay. So yeah, rename this query. Now it is query one is the table name. Just rename it the right name. So whatever table name available in Excel, let's give it that by giving mouse right click and click on rename. And you can manually type it or Control C, Control V also work. And press enter. Okay. So this is one table. Now another table we have to do it with the same file path. So in that case, do we need to do this all steps? Actually not required. We have one option for it in Power Query, that is duplicate of query option. Okay. So mouse right click on that table and copy the information. Control C. Yeah, copy first one. Okay.
Yeah,
Click on it.
copy.
Now again mouse right click on here in this blank area. Paste. So now all steps came here. Now what we have to do, this is for another table. Already we loaded sales over dates. Now we need another table like which are stores informations are available. So what we can do here, we can remove some of the applied steps. So remove applied steps until where we have to stop, like after source. Yeah, one step is enough to remove it. Now here already we loaded sales over dates. Then what is the table we have to load it now?
Store data.
Yeah, store data. Click on table of the second column. Yeah, this one. Right. So this one also ready. So we have to give rename that table name with the right name. Okay. So our Power Query is ready right now. So here there is nothing to do any transformation as per the client requirement. Okay, so already data types and everything is good here in this data. So that I'm loading this information into the Power BI from the Power Query. For that we have to use close and apply section from the home menu. So here you can see where close and apply is available. So that is important. So remember it whenever you are finished every ETL step here. So you have to do close and apply to load this data into the Power BI. So click on it. So after that, you can see loading that information to the Power BI. Okay, so you can see that two tables information there in right side data pan. So here you first understand what is the Power BI contents, that structure. So here what you can see left side, you can see four buttons, four views. Okay, we are in chart icon. So that is report view. So report, that is report view. Next one, click on it. Next, after report view, we have table view. In this table view, you can see all the tables information. You can expand it, and you can select the tables columns also from that names. Okay, that data pan. So here we will write calculated columns here only. Okay, and next one. So next tab. So this is data view. Now next one is model view or relationship view. Here, whatever tables we loaded, we can see them and we can arrange them. We can relate them. Whenever we required relationships like many to one or one to one something, so we do that relationships here. So after that, another tab is DAX Studio. So that is for creating the DAX calculation in the table view. Okay, so we will go one by one and we will see what are the things required today to perform that task. We will discuss them only. After that, in next sections, we will going to discuss all of the main features of the Power BI as per the content. Okay, now go back to reporting view again. Yes. So this is about the left side. We have report view, data view, relationships view. Okay. So what are the things are available in right side? Over right side. So data visualization and filters. Click on filters also. Click on that filter arrow. Filters arrow. Yes. So here you have three tabs. This we will call it as pan. So that is data pan, visualization pan, filters pan. In this filters pan, I will call it that as hidden filters. Okay. So these filters, whenever I wanted to expand you, like I will call it that, please expand hidden filters. In that case, you have to expand this one. Okay. Visualization pan and data pan. That visualization pan is mainly for whenever we use some charts, that is charts we have to select from here, or we can use three dots and we can download some custom visuals from the store. That is also possible. So here default visualization we can use, or we can download custom visuals as well. Apart from the visuals, what is right side data pan is showing, that is table and columns information. We can pick any column which is required for the table, and we can generate the visualization. Okay, right. So this is a basic information about the introduction about the Power BI. Let's go into that project. We can discuss these basic things in detail when we have actual training. Okay? So now, Nagaraju, can you show that PDF, the requirement PDF? Okay. So here we have business overview presentation, and what is next screen? Sales trend. Okay, first let's start with the sales trend. So Now let's going to do this sales trend. Then this sales trend means what are the elements we have it here. So if you observe it, you have one heading sales trend and subheading sales by date, sales by target stores. Those things are there. And if you see that background color also there, that is a light purple. Okay? Because in the below requirements, if you already read that PDF, you can notice that the client asked some colors only. Some companies required every time some they follow color codings. Okay, so they have given some hexa code as well, like as 787C D1 this all. This hexa codes also we should know about it. Those are all color names, color codes. Okay, so some companies gives you that color codes. We have to use that color codes only for the particular report, right? Okay. Now, yeah, go to up. Let's see that sales trend output how they wanted it. So show me that PDF again, Nagaraju. So here, what we need to do first, so first what we have to do here, we have to give a light purple color as the background. Okay, or we can do it that later. First what we do, we will give that heading sales trend. Okay, so for that what we have to do, go to that tab and here use text box from the home menu. Where it is available? There. So there it is available, text box. So click on that text box. So while clicking on the text box, it automatically appear here. Here you have to write a text here, whatever you want. Okay. Now what is the heading? Sales trend. So write a sales trend here. So for that, how do you proceed, Nagaraj? So sales trend you have given. So directly we can write it there. But it is very small letters, right? Now what is our next task? We have to increase the font size. So increase the font size, now currently 10, and say give it to like 24 or something. So some more big. As of now, I think it is okay. Let's see after making the visualization. So based on the page adjustments, we can adjust them. Okay. Now sales trend is the main heading. Now below that, in the same text box, press shift enter to come to the next line. Then here write it like what is available in that image. Alt tab, sales trend. After that, subheading is sales by date, sales versus. Okay, sales by date. Type it here. Shift enter. Okay, so change it to the minimum size because this is the subheading. Control V. So sales versus target by store. Sales space versus target space by store. Right. Now this is the time we have to use the colors for the headings. So they have specified some color codes. We have to use that code. So copy the below one where that hexa codes are available. So we have two colors, purple and dark purple. So which one we have to do? Maybe here we have to go with dark purple. So copy that dark purple hexa code and come to the Power BI. And select that starting sales by sales trend. Yeah, in below box, A letter is there. Beside that, you can find a arrow. Click on that arrow. And here you have to go for more colors when you have a hexa codes with you. Click on more colors. So here you can see one box in access section. So you paste it whatever you copied there. Okay. Now, so that color is already applied. Due to the selection, you can't find it. So unselect that sales trend Nagaraju. Yes. Is it the same color? What they are looking for? Yeah, I think so. So you have to keep it bold color, bold also. In that case only we will get that thickness for that heading. So select that B is there in below. So bold, select it. Yes. That's good. And for the subheadings, what is the color? The same color, I think so. Yes, same color only. And font names they are asking Corbel or Tohoma. So Corbel, yeah. So fine. Let's give it to that. Select these three things, and we can apply a single time the font name. Yeah. So we already applied color, right? Let's check it out. Enter. Okay. Done. Next. So show me the visual. That means that PDF. Okay. So now we need one graph here in right side. Date based trend. Date based sales amount. Okay. So where is available this date based sales? And before that, for any. Okay. So if I want to tell you dimension and fact table related, maybe you will get confusion. First, I will go with a single table, how to make it. So date and date based sales where we have it in our two tables. So just find out the data. So go to data view Nagaraju, data view. So this is we are in store data. Store data contains index, stores, sales, target. And another one, click on the another table. So click on that sales over table. Yes. Here you have date and total sales. Yeah. So we want to make it a column chart, date based total sales. So for that, this is the right table. So table we have identified. Now we have to generate that column chart. So go to that report view. Okay. Now in visualization pan, we have several visualization, default visualization. In it, whatever that output client is expecting is a column chart. So that is taken bar chart, not bar. So that is a standing one. And go to the select the fourth one, not this one. So yeah, clustered column chart. Select that one. So arrange it, this against to the sales trend. So drag it and keep it that chart. So now it is in below the sales trend. I wanted beside the sales trend. So you have to select here and hold your mouse and drag it to required place. Okay, even you can size it based on the corners. Okay, you can height increase or decrease or width increase or decrease, you can do it. Okay, good. Now here go to that visual, that means PDF. So PDF here, can you maximize this? So maximize this PDF size. Okay. Now here if you see in x-axis we have dates and y-axis we have sales. So for this chart we have to give it x-axis dates and y-axis sales amount. Okay. So come to the PBX file. Right. Click on that one and come to this build visual. In build visual section you can see at the down, come down, yes, here you can see x-axis, y-axis, legend, these all the things. Here you have to keep the columns. Okay, so what is our x-axis? That is date. So drag it date from the required table and keep it in x-axis like this. You have to hold it and keep it. Now it is showing like this all hierarchy. Don't remove anything. You mouse right click on date section, or you can click on that arrow. Okay. Whenever you use your dates, it will come like this. You have to perform this one every time. So click on that arrow and here click on date. It is now selected date hierarchy. We don't want date hierarchy, only date we wanted. So select date. Okay. Right. And now y-axis total sales. Drag it and drop it at y-axis. Hola. So we got it, this one. Now what is our task? We have to use these bars are in blue color right now, but the client is expecting their desired format. Okay. So yeah, select that hexa code and change this bar colors. Now bar color changing is our task. So I think that is a normal purple color. So above one, primary one, use it. So now we are in build visual in visualization pan. Click on format as visual to change the colors and properties of the chart. So in this, for this, those lines, we have to go to columns, last to third, columns section, expand it, and here color section, click on it, more colors, control V, or you can manually type also. Okay, you know it. Yes, done. Escape or somewhere click on it. Right. Okay. So one chart is ready right now. So it is displaying the all information. Uh, just click on that hidden filters, hide it because we can see the chart bigger. Okay, good. I think I don't require this much space for this chart because the below one also we required some other part, right? So, and also you have top some space, use that one also. Mm, good. Okay. Now show me that PDF. So show me the output. Yeah. Now here we need another information in down. So one chart required and bottom also required. So what is the chart required here? Sales versus target across stores. So these three sections are there. So this chart, based on the chart style, we will get to know while we practice every chart, what chart it is, what chart we have to pick. Okay. So yeah, this is a bar chart. So we will select this bar chart and we will give that required information to this chart. Okay. So come to that PBI. So what is the one? Is it first one or third one? So select that first one. Okay, keep it arrange it where it is available based on that output. Okay, so that's fine. Now in visualization section, under the visuals, you can see y-axis, x-axis, legend. So these three informations are there. Now y-axis means what is required vertically. So vertically what we required stores information vertically as per the output image. So give it stores information in Y from store data, because we have sales and target information in store data only. Yeah, keep it there. Okay. Now in x-axis keep it sales from store data. Here another one also we need. So target. So keep that target also in x-axis. So some of the elements, some of the charts we can add more items. Those are all allow multiple items. So when we want to do compare analysis, so you use this chart and you will keep it everything in x-axis. Now here our chart is ready, but now formatting section. That sales information as per the PDF, it is white color and target is blue color, that purple color. So let's change it. So go to that, now we are in build visual, go to format as visual. So to change that sales data, we have to go to bars section in this, in visual bars, go down, color section, series apply to series is all is there, right? So select that one, and select sum of sales. This color should be white color. So change color, click on color. White color, you no need to copy the Excel code. You can see in that menu and you can directly select it. Okay, click on that button, and white color you have in top or here also. Select that. Select. Okay, white color currently not appearing, but we will give it a background image purple color. After that we can see them also. So no worries for now. Yeah. Now select another legend target. Now target color is purple color. Click on this color. Now no need to go for the this one. Maybe you can see already in recent colors. You can click on that color whatever we used recently. Okay. So click on that purple color in third recent colors. Yes. Okay. Right. So now as per the design, we have a background image for the below visual. So how to make it that part? Let's see it now. So go to that PDF. Here we have a purple color background in down. So we have to arrange that. For this design, what we do basically for doing this design, so we use one text box and we will change the color of that one, and we will keep send them into the background. Okay, so like that we can arrange this visual, this output. So make it that one, Nagaraju. So arrange one text box and keep it from right to left to right. Change color of the background. So here you can see in format text box section the background colors apply. So under effects, background color is purple, recent color. So is that recent color or what color? The same color it is right there. Okay. So now send this to the back. Okay. Now it is already highlighted. Go to the menu format section. In menus, in menu home insert modeling format. Yes. Send backward. Click on it. That's it. Okay. So it will come the below ones to down to up. Okay. Now click on somewhere so that you will not get any mismatches. Okay. Right. So for the chart also we can do some adjustments like background coloring, and this all we can do. So yeah, now show me that visual again, output. So here if you see it, background there is no white background for this one, so that is transparent color. So let's change it that property here for this chart. So come to the PBX file. Okay, now go to that format as visual. Okay, in this format as visual, we have to change that background. So that background information we should have it in general section, not visual section. We have two sections in format visual. So here background is available under effects, third one. So background is off, click on off. That's it. Okay. So now the color of the sales is not this color, so that is another color. So let's change it. Maybe give it for now some thick color. Yes, change to yes this color. Yeah, done. And like that, y-axis and x-axis, this all colors we can do. So these things you can do it from your side. Okay. So and left side we will do again text box and adjustments. This all we do. We can continue this remaining part in next session. Okay. For now I'm stopping. Please let me know your questions.